Hey guys, so I am in the car and I just got back from dropping my daughter off to take her ACT. And it got me to thinking about a video idea that I had, and I wanted to talk to you about it. Those of you who have teenagers or those that are in the ACT testing age, I think they start doing pre-ACTs even in middle school. But anyway, if you have a high schooler and they are interested in going to college, of course, they're going to have to take the ACT sooner or later. However, there's a bit of information that I have come across that I wanted to share with you. And that is because of the COVID, a lot of the rules and deadlines and some of the requirements for entrance into colleges has now been changed. And so you need to look at the colleges that your child is interested in attending and see what kind of changes they have made. Some colleges have even decided to hold ACT scoring for admission. In other words, if your child has not had a chance to take the ACT, then they might go ahead and just waive that requirement. And so I thought that was pretty interesting. So just look into it. There's a website that you can go to, of course, the ACT website, and there's a lot of information concerning that as well as other information. Another thing that's very important to remember is preparation. So make sure that your child is prepared for the ACT. If they have not taken any pre-ACTs or the ACT itself, make sure that they go to the website or get software. They sell it all over the place where they can practice problems and taking the tests and knowing the type of questions that they're going to have, because the ACT has changed over the years. So if you're my age, which I graduated in 90, things have changed somewhat. So make sure that you look into the types of questions and the way that it's asked, especially with the English portion and written portion. So those are things that will help your child be a little bit more comfortable with and be able to have self-confidence in taking the ACT. Another thing is make sure they get a good breakfast, bring a snack, check the list of things they can't bring. They can only bring number 2 pencils and a calculator. They cannot bring their cell phone in, or cannot use it during their break. Make sure you talk to your child about that, because if they get caught using their cell phones, they're disqualified, or whatever the terminology is. Their test will be voided and they will not be able to have that test count. So those are my thoughts for today. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Good luck on your journey as always, and I'll see you soon.